how to play music through a headset which has a 3.5mm connector on a phone which has a USB-C connector. So there is no 3.5mm on this anywhere. That's a microphone, I think. Okay, so what you need is an adapter from USB-C to 3.5mm audio connector, and by using this you can play the song. So now the song is being played through the speaker of the phone. If I connect the adapter there, now it's being played here, but the volume is very low. Remove this, use even a larger one, connect that there. Now this is much louder. So all you need is an adapter from USB-C to 3.5mm audio connector. And then you can use another headset, a somewhat more expensive one or a more cheaper one, instead of the original one which has a USB-C connector directly. So instead of this, you can use that if you use an adapter.